水嘅喎。
Yeah, just Thai lady. Very beautiful.
Oh my god. Wow. It's okay, this is refill.
中幾多難食？
哎呀，哎呀！We'll just go back to our room. Who's in 203? I think that's 203's luggage. 这是我们的。啊 That's okay. Ooh, ledge. We walk over to that room. Oh, we don't even knock anymore, yo. Look at the spreads. Longana. 2 bananas. 그 길에 어디 와? 어여. Say hi, Tracy. 你哋兩個都唔同嘅。We're heading back. Here we are. Let's touch the rocks. Let's touch the rocks. Oh, it's purple. Does it mean it's poisonous? Wow.
You can do anything you like.
Yeah, you
I'm sorry. Put a tomato in there. How about the other side? Oh, crunchy! It's supposed to be crunchy.
Yeah, put it away and
Damn, Tracy.
You want me to help you?
What happens if she can't fold it? I can't even help myself. It's too late. Just drop it in here. Drop it in here. It's too late. It's too late. 呢就要剪㗎。都呢一皮嘢。Actually, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good though. I keep hearing Juicy. Juicy cilantro.
Ano, em đi tôm đi. Em đi tôm.
It's good?
How do you guys flip it? Well, she made hers an omelet and I just failed at rolling, so it's up to you. Interesting taste. big. Never seen before. Maybe I put too much.
You did. No, no.
Ayo, ayo, ayo. Ayo, omelet. What are you pressing? What are you pressing? Stop pressing.
Oh, I thought you said it's crunchy.
Crunchy. That don't look crunchy. Sorry.
Omelet. Huh?
Wait, only choya?
Thai toy.
Too big.
Too big?
You can tear it in half.
Wow.
That's too much?
Wow. Please.
Oh, that's hot. Oh, yeah.
Just keep going. Just keep going. Wow, beautiful.
No, it's not.
Beautiful.
Wow. Hey, another one.
I think you just gotta leave it. I don't think that we should have folded. We should have tucked in the sides. I don't see no one else tucking the sides.
Can I borrow?
Okay, okay, okay. 我有嗰個紅醬啊。
Mine? Tracys.
Oh, they cut all different shapes. I want some dragon fruits as well. I want cream puffs. Oh my god, I want this. Prawn chips.
One, two, three.
I don't like the cap.
Wow, look at you. What is this sauce?
It's the way you put that fork on your tooth before you still a little taste of it. So yeah, he had to Google it. And so remember? So 201.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Have a glowing around. Yeah, and the squid can see something glowing.
咪邊個蛋咁樣？點解我冇嘅？
所以我咪覺得我有個責任要嚟食咗佢咯。
Okay, alligator.
Man,
問下啦，問下啦，問下啦，
問咩啊？
問下個酒啊，
普通嘅酒咯。
普通啊，OK。
Here.
Oh.
What? It's not? You don't taste anything?
Alcohol.
Like,
Oh no.
點搞呢個嘢？我當時就係識嘅。
was this one 龍眼
龍眼
？Alright,
Logan.
alright. 唔好飲啊！
Okay, think the snake one tastes better.
You want to try the honeybee
I have
one?
higher expectation for this one, that's why.
To the valley and make it becoming a village. Now this so far is a bedroom, man only. Nowadays they prefer to do.
可以嘅，都係俾隨便以前嘅掟上去，佢要掟就捅落去。
She's crazy. She's crazy. Not that much people
好少人嘅嚟㗎嘛，佢咁少人嘅喎。
拜啦。
Waiting to be a 警察，but it's not yet。
You have to fight for me.
我賺死佢啦！我哋10蚊。呢個方喺呢度講緊，呢一間半對付啊。
我驚跌咗我個相機啊！ Yeah. We're going to cooking class again. She's washing her swimsuit.
Okay, so now it's time to enjoy the. Cái này nó giống nhau.
跟住攞個大嘅碟俾咁啫。
You want it? Hi, we're at Halong Bay Cruise right now. We're sitting on the ship Venus. And this is the deck. Let me show you around. Please follow me.
At night?
This is the stairway up on our 5th floor deck.
Ashley is up.
This is deck. As you can see here, this is turf. And so that means we can go barefoot. Please, take off your shoes.
No, thank you.
Let me see them dogs.
So what happened to your tent, man? Bare feet, but you don't need to see your tent.
This is where you can lie down. Please, lie down.
Lie down or lay down.
Lie down.
Lie down or lay down.
Both is okay.
Okay. 我哋
And if you follow me this way,
我唔得啦。
follow. 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 Don't go anywhere.
this is the actual location of where Jack and Rose did their Titanic thing.
Oh, really? Can I do it for you?
Yes.
I see you. That's how I know you go on. Before you open the door.
Please climb.
No, thank you.
Okay. Thank you for the video. Goodbye.
I see you next time.
See you next time.